Hi, my name's Bekah. Welcome to my video series, Everyday English, Every Day. Here we have authentic conversations with real people so you can practice your English. This is part of the beginner series, and today we're talking about a meet and greet with Billie Eilish. We're gonna listen to a conversation I had with Natalia, who has a Polish Billie Eilish fan page on Instagram. We're going to talk about a concert experience. And for a little more, we're going to talk about where, the question word. Okay, remember, subscribe to my channel and give me a like. In the comments, ask me questions or write example sentences using the phrases we're about to review. All right, we're going to listen to a conversation about Natalia meeting Billie Eilish for the first time at a meet and greet. A meet and greet is an extra opportunity at a concert. I want you to listen for the following phrases. Let's practice them. Repeat after me. What kind of place did you get to meet her? A meet and greet. How does that work? Tomorrow it is going to be exactly 2 years. Go to Billie's show. All right, now remember, when you hear these questions or phrases in the video, stop the video, pause it, and repeat again. Also, you need to repeat aloud. Okay, let's watch the video together.
Yeah, that's just amazing.
So what kind of place did you get to meet her? Is it a meet and greet? Does she do that usually? Like, what is that? How does that work?
Yeah, a few years ago, like not much actually. She wasn't known at all, so like
So this is all within the last 2 years, pretty much, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Tomorrow it's gonna be exactly 2 years.
Okay.
Like with the fun icon, yeah. So like 3 years ago, it was like that she just used to come to people after the show to just meet them. But like when I started being fun and when I like wanted to go for a concert, so I had to buy meet and greet tickets.
Okay, so that's separate. When you go to a concert, you buy concert tickets and meet and greet tickets. They're two different things.
Well, actually, it depends on the concert. It always says like if it's a package or it's like only a meet and greet.
Okay.
And I bought it and I didn't tell my parents. I mean, I told them before, Mom, please, can we go to Berlin, to Germany, to Billie's show? And she was like, no. And I was like, what? So
was this recently? Was this last year?
This was 2 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about these phrases a little more. Let's practice them. To meet. When you meet someone, you are presented to someone for the first time. So I might say, write me a comment below. We can meet here on YouTube. She met Billie at a meet and greet. That was the first time she saw Billie in person. To meet can also mean to come together with someone. I like to meet my friends at the beach. Do you want to meet at the restaurant at 6 p.m.? Now, to greet someone means that you welcome them or you meet or receive someone. So a greeting is when we tell someone something when we first see the person. Let's practice these greetings together. Repeat after me. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. It's nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. You can greet someone when you first see them in the office at work. Okay, so I asked Natalia, what kind of place did you get to meet her? Is it a meet and greet? Does she do that usually? So I was asking if she was at a concert and then she went to this extra opportunity, a meet and greet. When I ask about place, it's the position or point of where they are located. Okay, so a place could be at the mall, at the beach, at the concert venue, right? The place where they have concerts, at the stadium. I had to buy meet and greet tickets. So she bought an extra ticket so she could go to the meet and greet. She said a few years ago, not much actually. Now, we need to use much with a singular non-count noun, like time. If we have a plural noun, we use many. Repeat after me. Not much time ago. Not many years ago. It says if it is a package or only a meet and greet. Sometimes they're sold together, the tickets. Sometimes you have to buy them separately. Tomorrow is going to be exactly 2 years. Tomorrow means it's like the anniversary. The exact day, maybe July 15th, but right, 2 years in the future. So it happened 2 years ago, right? So she's having her, well, she was having her 2-year anniversary. She asked her mom, can we please go to Berlin to Billie's show? We say, go to a place. I go to the beach. I go to the store. I go to the airport. I asked, how does that work? That means I'm asking, how did it happen? What was the situation? Natalia told me a few years ago, she, Billie, wasn't known at all. So 3 years ago, in the past, she used to come to people after the show and meet them. When I started to be a fan, I had to buy meet and greet tickets. In the beginning, Billie did not sell meet and greet tickets. Once she became more popular and famous, she now has meet and greet situations, opportunities for her fans. Okay, for a little more, let's look at the word where. It's a question word to ask about places. Repeat after me. Where do you live? I live in Costa Rica. Where do you work? I work at Vagaroo. Where are you? I'm in my office. Can you come up with any where questions? Add them to the comments below and I will review them for you. Now, Vagaroo is an online learning platform and awesome supportive community that you could join. I have the links in the description, so check it out. They have a free trial for 14 days, so you can experience the self-study program. And then we also have live webinars, which I do a lot of, and we have weekly content that I also help create. So it's an awesome community. Check it out. Remember, if you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos on Mondays and Wednesdays. Comment below, ask me questions, and feel free to email me at any time. All right, have a great day. Keep practicing. You got it. Bye-bye.